you click on the end of this Excel, the beginning of it on the left, just like I've clicked here. It will highlight everything for you, all the sheets. Then you come to this theme color and choose the color you want, maybe white, blue, whatever. You see, I've given it a color, so you can start adding whatever KPI name or this, whatever you have concerning your board. Another way to do this is, maybe you don't want only color, plain color, you want to add image color on it. You come to page layout and click background, depending on what you're working on or what you want. Maybe now, because I'm into tech, I'll just write tech and search for something background that looks like tech, and insert it. Hold on, I'll come to background, click here and type tech to search for me. Okay, right now I will choose which color background I want, or maybe image I want to place on this background. Maybe I come to this place and place this particular one and insert. Here it is. I've given our sheet a background, but that's not where we are going. For a network and all that, it may be looking somehow cluttered with what you have or interpretation. So let me go back. Kind of, to delete the background, you can delete it immediately and work with what you have, or maybe give it just the simple color from home. You choose maybe that either ash background like this, light background like this. You then come, maybe you choose on the space you want to place your dashboard. You highlight it, then choose the color you want. You see, I've chosen color. Then the first thing you do, you have to give your dashboard a name. What's the name of your dashboard? Then how do I place it? So I'll come and highlight like 3 columns and rows and extend it. Highlight to all have, as in highlight the heading or where I want to place the name of the dashboard. Once I did that, I will choose a color from this thing. Depending on the color I'm working with that blends with what I'm working on, we'll choose this. I want to choose this orange color. Then I will type the name of the dashboard, maybe sales analysis dashboard. And then click highlight it again, all of it, then wrap the text and merge it to the center. And come to this place to align it. Hold on, I chose 4. I actually want to choose 3. Hold on. I choose like this to do my dashboard name, to give it a name. Then highlight with this, give it a name. Then highlight it again so that I can merge it to the center, wrap the text and merge it to the center. Bolding it and increase the font to maybe 34 or 36. And then align it to the middle, to the center. From here I can also reduce this so that it will give it a fitting that is better. Okay, then for the text you can now change the text. You might make that to white. You see, this is our dashboard. Isn't it looking nice? And maybe change the font. Depending on what you're working on, maybe this, I want to use this access analysis dashboard. Then you can also add an image, maybe your logo or whatever design or your company, which one name you want to craft here. So I want to add an image. The image I want to add is the logo of the company. Like now I'll come and insert picture, then look for the logo or the picture or the image that I want to place beside this. So I'm choosing this. I then insert, reduce it to the size that will align with what I have. I place it here at the center. See, you can move it around, put it anywhere, you place it there. Then for the KPI, you can actually come to this insert as well, pick a smart chart depending on what you are doing. Pick a smart chart where you want to put your KPI or any other in any way, or you can place it on your own. You can write it, you can do it, design it anyhow you want. Then like now I'm picking this because that's what I use. I pick this, reduce it and place it here. Make sure everything aligns. If you click here, that's where you can start typing and replacing this text that is by default. Maybe now I have $10,000 and what's the name for this $10,000? What is it describing? I'll come to add bullets, then maybe call it revenue, my revenue for the revenue for the sales analysis. You see, I've given, that's how you do all of them. You can change the color, do whatever you want to do concerning it. Okay, so I've already done it. I'll be deleting this. I just want to show you how I did this. I'll be deleting it to bring the one I already have to save time. Then I'll come to this place, pick up this. Before I pick it up, okay, let me pick it up first. I'll pick it up, come to copy, I pick it, then come here and place it. You see it, I'll place it the place in a good position. Then looking at this, you see that I have another color here and it's not looking nice, so I want to remove it. I'll just right click and then come to format the object so that I can remove that. Hold on while it loads, it's putting. Hold on. Then I'll come to this place and I click the whole of this. From here you see the transparency, that's what made it there, so I'll remove the transparency entirely to have this. Okay, so I'll come back here to pick this because we already have it on our pivot table. That's where I brought it to this point. Then I'll come to this place and copy this. I can go to pivot table too to copy it, but let me just copy it from here. Copy and then place it here first, align it, then come to this place, come back again, maybe I want to, let me just copy both of them and go and place them there. Copy. I come to this place and place them. Paste. You see? Then bring in this one. Align it properly. You can add other things here. I just left this place open. Okay, so here we have it. So you can also add image here to beautify this if you don't want it to be like this. I'll just come and insert image again. Image that I want to replace with this plain blue, dark blue background. I'll come and pick from what I have. I insert. But it's covering it. Yes, it's covering it. We can put it behind this text, behind what we have, behind our data, our chat, all of them behind. You just, when you align it, or you come to arrangements to send it to the back. I'm sending it to back. So you see, this is what we have here. You see our dashboard. You can increase this to this point. So other this will come below. Once you increase it down to the place, you see you have it. You align it proper. In case you want to print it out, you'll be asking, how will you print it out? In case you want to print it out, you come to this place and print to see how it will look. You then say print. On a normal day, it will come as a portrait. Hold on while it loads. See how it is. It has cut your work. No. So now, our advice, you come to this portrait orientation and change it to landscape orientation to have your full dashboard. See, you have your full dashboard like this that is extended to this place. So for it to align, I can extend this to this point for it to align, or I'll just remove it. Okay, so this is what it is. I hope you find this helpful. Like now, as this is, I can quickly come and arrange it and make sure all of them are bearing this. Okay, and also remove this, align it again to blend with it. Hold on, I've done that. I'll merge center, I'll wrap the text. It's now in the middle, you can see. So, and this one again, our blue background will also highlight all, so that it will blend with this here. I've covered it with the board, or with the page layout, the margin where it stopped. Okay, I've actually increased it so that it will be in the same. Then I also carry the image, place it properly, and make sure it fits to the margin. How did you see this? Ah, isn't that lovely? So comment, like, share. If you have any challenge on designing your data or anything that has to do with data analytics or Excel, comment it on this, write it on the comment section so that I'll pick that up to give us the solution to it on my tutorials. So this is what we have. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this helpful. Have a good day.